Okay, guys, for this mill cabinet, just want to make a couple things clear. The cabinet height, if the ceiling height's 96, which is here, but you have that light that comes down 4 inches, so that's why we're 6 inches down from the ceiling. So the top of this would be 90. The overall width of the cab's 34. The inside width is here, 30 and 15/16. You're going to lose about an inch of width when the doors are open. With the hinges, but I've got the mill at 28 wide, 21 deep, and the inside depth here is 23, and then it's 17 inches tall. As you can see, if these are glass shelves, this is all adjustable. The computer just splits these evenly, but this shelf right here is only 17, so we need to raise that up because I know there's a lid on that thing to open up, but we can adjust the width or the height of it. But I want to make sure the depth is good and the width is going to be good with the doors open. And again, the inside width is 30 and 15, so more, and you're going to lose that inch for the door. Drawers underneath. It's a matte tan color. Slab fronts, 4-inch handle, 2 inches off the corner. And if more cabinets are put in here, eventually we'll have to do some work because we only have 20 and a half from the left side to the wall. Unless we just make the run of cabinets on this exterior wall eventually narrower to fit in between the wall and the cabinet. But I want to make sure that that's enough room for this mill. As far as the doors, if we did a door like this, hinges like so, there's no frame on it. That's how these hinges look. Just a clear glass door that'd be a 1/4 inch thick. You can look around Element Designs for doors. There's aluminum frame doors, but I thought just a clear glass door might work too. This cabinet. Let me know. Thanks, guys.